Okay, so trying to make this video, but I spilled my makeup everywhere, so let me try and get comfortable so I can do this. Oh crap, I won't sit on it. Okay. Woo! Oh crap, I'm setting it. Oh hell. Okay. Anyways, can you see me? All right. Right there. Okay. Ooh, fix my hair. Okay. Anyway, this video is for Riggins. Hey Riggins. Okay. Anyways, I just want to tell y'all, this is my buddy from ROTC, and he is too funny. If you go to PV and you went to that last talent show they had, it was like a UC talent show, but most of the stuff was gospel in there. There was an act called Notorious P.I.G. That was him. But he makes videos all the time, and he has a YouTube. So I'm on here promoting him because I want y'all to go look at his videos because he's so funny. I always say I'm going to be in one, but I never get the chance. I always end up being busy or something. So here's his Facebook ID. His name is Alex Chatham. I don't know how you say it. I call him Reagan. So his Facebook ID is 580-510-336. Again, that's 580-510-336. Alex Chapman. And call right. No, I'm kidding. Okay, anyways, and so and then if you don't have Facebook, or because I'm putting this on YouTube too, but if you don't have Facebook or anything like that, you can check him out on YouTube. And anyway, go on YouTube, so there's no excuse. Okay, YouTube. It's www.youtube.com/Riggins RIGGINSD 6543. Again, that's www.youtube.com/Riggins RIGGINSD 6543. Okay. So anyways, yes, he just made this new video called Losing My Bowels. And it's like a parody of Lost on the Road, you know that song by Gorilla Zoe. And so, yeah, it's really funny, y'all. Y'all should check him out. Anyways, he's having me rolling with his stuff and his little impromptu whatevers, or I don't know what you call them, impromptu raps, parody raps, whatever they may be. But anyways, I'm giving y'all a thumbs up. Go check him out, okay? All right, bye, y'all.